Are you bad at Spy? Are you tired of dying in every single 1v1? You want to become badass and make frag videos? You hate having social skills? I have something for you. In this video, we're going to be teaching you how to become a master Spy through trickStabs. Alright, since you guys are probably dumbasses, we'll start off simple. Take note. Before we do anything, we're going to have to talk about the hitbox. You know, the back hitbox isn't just in the back of the player, but also extends to half of their sides. It's a very lenient range, but I will now proceed to go back and forth to demonstrate for the next 15 hours. This one is called a stair stab. What you want to do is find an elevated surface, anything that works. It can be off a teleporter, dispenser, sentry gun, stairs, a slope, a ramp, this ladder right here, a building. Now that we've gone over every single map spot and every single possible reality you could use to do a stair stab, let's go over the inputs needed. What you'll want to do first is press W, then jump, then crouch, then while in midair, press S, then turn 180 degrees. Then get a second keyboard, operate it with your feet, and then enter the Konami code. It's as easy as that. You just did a stair stab. Now something to note is that basic stair stabs are unreliable and almost never work against most players. You should instead go for other trick stabs. This one is called the corner stab. In this trick stab, basically just press A and D when you're near a corner, or D and A depending on what side of the corner you're on. I also forgot to mention, basic corner stabs are also unreliable and don't work against most players. If you're a beginner who makes it too obvious or slow, you should probably go instead for some other types of trick stabs. This trick stab is called a Matador. Yeah, you just press A and D and click. Shit, stupid fucking game. Give me a second, and there we go. Trick stabbed. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to learn more about trick stabs, I linked more detailed advanced tutorial in the description.